Flo Tek, flow better with us. Flo Tek is an ISO 9001-2015 company accredited and certified by the South African Bureau of Standards, SABS, the Botswana Bureau of Standards, BOBS, and the South African Plastic Pipe Manufacturers Association, SAPPMA. We are a leading manufacturer and supplier of pipes, fittings, tanks, and irrigation products.
My name is Vijay Naik, Managing Director of Flo Tek Pipes and Irrigation in Botswana. Botswana, we started Flo Tek in 1998 with a very humble beginning with one extruder to manufacture PVC pipes in Lobatse. We've gone through various processes of learning, but today we have 10 lines in Lobatse, and we added more products to our product line, that is roto-molded tanks and injection molded fittings. We have expanded our product line into the region. We have a factory in Johannesburg in South Africa, which is making HDPE pipe, which is mainly used for mining sector. The reason we started this in South Africa is because it's closer to the market, and as we all know, mining sector in South Africa is very big. We also expanded our footprint in Angola in 2003. We started a factory in Angola manufacturing tanks and pipes. We also have our operations in Namibia, where we distribute our product. We have a presence in Dundee, Nelspruit, Port Elizabeth and East London. And recently we have started in Northwest South Africa. We also have started a branch in Zambia, and it is our intention to start in Mozambique and other region of Southern Africa. As Flo Tek, I always believe that we should have innovative products in order to grow our business. Recently, we have signed an agreement with a company in US called Lubrizol to manufacture CPVC pipe to replace copper piping for hot and cold water application in plumbing industry. This product will be made in Botswana by Flo Tek and will be exported in Southern Africa, and we are the only licensee to manufacture these products. We also have signed an agreement with a company in Germany to do underground manholes to replace concrete manholes. And I can proudly say that in Southern Africa we are the largest manufacturer of piping system, which is based in Botswana.
The Ramotso plant production. Ramotso plant is focused on production of rotational molding products, those products that are relatively large, hollow, seamless products that are completely or partially closed. Flo Tek has been popularly known to produce water tanks for the last 15 years. Other products include inspection and manhole chambers, underground septic tanks, agriculture products, livestock, cattle products, mining services products, and defense services products. Flo Tek has established a relationship with a technology solution provider for the manufacturing of underground plastic inspection and manhole chambers, which are produced as per European standards, and we are the first in Botswana to produce these products using the technology. All these products are produced from LLDPE, that's linear low density polyethylene. The Lobatse plant production. Lobatse plant focuses on production of PVC pipes for potable water, sanitation, irrigation, mining and building applications. With the production capacity from 20 mm up to 500 mm diameters. Additionally, we are also producing underground and above ground fittings as a value add for our customers. Flo Tek has recently started production of CPVC pipe. A plumbing pipe with capability of both hot and cold water applications. Production capacity of 20 mm up to 63 mm diameters. We are also producing fittings. The mid-rand plant production. Mid-rand plant focuses on the production of HDPE, that's high density polyethylene pipes. With a production capacity of 20 mm up to 1000 mm diameters. The pipe is specifically suitable for installation types above ground thanks to its resistance to UV light. Below the ground or embedded in concrete thanks to its exceptional mechanical characteristics and resistance to rigid temperatures. It can also be used for waste systems due to its high resistance to chemical compounds. This type of pipe is mostly used in mining setup because of its characteristics. Flo Tek, flow better with us.